All right, DGP Friday. So we got Brad gave Sheena his phone number, but she did not call him. If we look at look at Wednesday, we have our two clauses separated, right? So we're two clauses, one clause and then our second clause, and they're combined by a conjunction, which is exactly what we have there, okay? Now, it's always subject, verb, and then if there's a direct object, we use the direct object, okay? There is an indirect object, which is what we'll look at with our first one. So the very first subject that we have is Brad. Brad was the one that did something in the first clause. So Brad did what? He gave. So it's still subject verb, and then he gave phone number. Okay, Brad gave phone number. Sorry, I don't like that it capitalizes. Brad gave phone number. Very specifically, he gave his phone number, right? So he gave his phone number. Brad gave phone number. Indirectly, right? Who was affected by gave? It was Sheena. Brad didn't give Sheena. Brad gave phone number. Indirectly, that affected Sheena. That's what an indirect object is that they're indirectly affected by the verb. Conjunction is but, all right? And then we're into our final clause. Sheena decided to do or not do something. So she, right, did is the helping verb that stays with our verb. So did is our helping verb. It stays with our verb call. I know that she did not call, but that's why we have an adverb. Because this modifies our first verb and did, and modifies and say did not call. But initially it says she did call him as our direct object. All right. That's DGP Friday. If you have any questions, concerns, like always, email me.